Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test run Layla in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, press and hold Alt on your keyboard. So, we shall bring up your mouse pointer, click on this icon right here, and here you can see an option called Test Run. Click on it and then click on this character icon right here. So this is the character named Layla. You can test run this character by clicking on this try button right here. You can also choose to preview the character by clicking on this magnifying glass icon right here. So if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!